Hello everyone, welcome back. Hope you all are doing great. Many of you have mentioned that your CSC application status is in progress. You also been asking about what is the chance of getting this scholarship. In our today's video, we are going to talk about this. So let's get started. First of all, let's discuss when your application status have changed from submitted to in progress. In some universities, once you upload the pre-admission letter to the CSC website, the status is changed in progress. In some universities, the International Admission Authority review your application and manually updates the status into in progress. This usually means your application has been nominated for the next step. So let's know that what is the next step. The next step is university prepares a list of nominated applicants and send it to the CSC for final approval. In most cases, the CSC approves the list of candidates nominated by the university. Each year, around 40 to 60 students are admitted to each university under the Chinese government scholarship. If a university sends too many nominations to CSC, some applicants might be excluded from the final list. So as far as your question is concerned that what is your chance, so the university can give you the exact answer. If the university already informed you that you have to wait patiently, then you need to wait. And as your status is in progress, that means it's a good sign. When the university get approved from the CSC, they will let you know. We all know that most of the universities announce their result in the month of June and July. In this period, you don't need to be worried too much. If you have any queries, you can contact with your desired university and they will let you know the further process. So that's all about today's video. If you have any queries, please leave a comment in our comment section and stay with us and see you next.